Hello my dear student. Today we're going to talk about sequences and expressions. Okay, so let's see this example. Let's read it together. The table shows the number of slices of pizza for different numbers of large pizza. What pattern do you notice in the number of slices? Okay, so let's see. Okay, here we have one pizza. Okay, it slices 8 slices, right? Then when we have 2 pizza, it became 16. When we have 3 pizzas, it became 24. When we have 4, it became 32. So what's the pattern here? When the number 1 changed to be 2, 8 changed to be 16. So what's the pattern here, حبايبي? Okay. So first, I want for you to know that the number of slices in the table above in an example of sequences, okay? So a sequence is a list of a number in a special order, okay? Each number in the list at the right is called term. So here, the sequences here, it's the 8, 16, 24, 32. And the number 16, it's the term, okay? So let's see this example. Here he wants from you to use word and simplify to describe the value of each term, okay, as a fraction of its position. Then find the value of the 10th term in the sequence. Okay, so here we have 1 became 3. And when 1 changed to be 2, 3 became 6. And when we have 3, we have 9. So what's the pattern here, حبايبي? So first of all, let's write the position, the number that we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And we don't know the value of number n, so we will write n. Okay, so here the pattern is what? We make multiply by 3. Let's see. 1 times 3 give us 3. 2 times 3 give us 6. 3 times 3 give us 9. 4 times 3 give us 12. So of course the n that we don't know, we will make it times 3. So the n will be n times 3 give us 3n. Okay, حبايبي? Okay, here he wants from you to find the value of 10th term. So now let's find the value of the 10th term. So I will just cancel n and I will put 10. So 3n will equal 3 times n, that's equal 30. So the value of 10th term in the sequences is 30, okay? Let's see the next one. Here we have, let's look on the table to find the pattern, okay? 6 became 8. 7, it's 10. 8 became 12. 9 became 14. n became 1. Okay, حبايبي, the pattern here, it could be times, it could be divide, plus or minus. So just think this number when it changed and became the value of term, what we did here, we did times or divide, plus, minus, and by the way, we could make the both. Maybe we can make times and plus, times and minus, divides and plus, and so on, okay? So here, 6 became 8. When 6 changed to 7, it became 10. 8 became 12. So what's the pattern here? What we did here? Yeah, good job, I can hear you. Excellent. So here we make multiply by 2, then we subtract 4. So first of all, let's write the position. It's 6, 7, 8, 9, and n, okay? The n is the unknown that we don't know yet, okay? He wants from you to find it. So let's make it. we said the rule here, it's multiply by 2, then subtract 4. So 6 times 2 minus 4 give us 8. 7 times 2 minus 4 give us 10. That's what we have. 8 times 2 minus 4 give us 12. 9, it will be 9 times 2 minus 4 give us 14. And the n, we will make it times 2, then subtract 4. We will write it like that, 2n minus 4, okay? You should know that the rule you write it, you must make it in all numbers, okay? So if we want to find the value of the 10th term, we will change n, we will cancel n, and we will put instead of it 10. So it will be 2 times 10 minus 4. 2 times 10, 20, minus 4 give us 16. So the value of the 10th term here is 16. Okay, habibi? Now I want from you to open your booklet, page 179. Let's see these questions. I want from you to use word symbol to describe the value of each term as function of each position. Then find the value of 10th term in sequence. So here we have, let's look for the position and the value of term. Here we have 2 became 4, 3 became 5, 5 became 7, 6 became 8, and we want to know the n will be what? Okay, here we can solve it by 2 ways. I tell you the first and I will show you the second. But first of all, let me give you 2 seconds to think about what we were gonna do here. I know you can find the correct answer. Okay, habibi, let me explain for you. So if you look carefully here, the 2 became 4, 3 became 5, 5 became 7, 6 became 8. So we can here make plus 2, right? So 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 6 plus 2, 8. And the n will be n plus 2. So here we will write n plus 2, okay? So if I want to find the value of 10th term, it will be n, we said that it will be the value of term n plus 2, right? So here you want for me to find the value of 10th term. So it will be 10 plus 2, that's equal 12. Okay, habibi? So that's one type of the answer, okay? So we can solve it by this. Or if you want to make it times, we can make it like that. We will write position. Here I will make multiply by 1 and add 2. So in the first way I show it to you, I only make plus 2. But here I will make this one way and that's another. And in both you will get the same answer, okay? So choose whatever you want. Choose this way or that. The same, in the same you will get the same answer, okay? So position here we will write the number of position. It's 2, 3, 5, 6 and n. Here we make times 1, then add 2. So 2 times 1, 2 plus 4 give us 4. 3 times 1 plus 2 equal 5. 5 times 1 plus 2 give us 7. 6 times 1 plus 2 give us 8. N times 1 plus 2 give us n plus 2. So now let's find the value of 10th term. It will be n times 1 plus 2. That's mean I will change n, I will put 10. So 10 times 1, 10 plus 2 equal 12. So if you look carefully here, in the same way we get the same answer. So choose whatever you like, okay? Let's see the second. Now I want from you to open your booklet, page 180. It's the same questions. Here we have position and here we have value of term. We have 3 became 15, we have 4 became 20, we have 5 became 25, we have 6 became 30, and we have n, and we want to know it will be what. But here he wants from you after that to find the value of 12th term, okay? So can you tell me what we're gonna do here? Come on. Yeah, good job. Here we make multiply by 5. So first of all, let's write position and let's write the numbers. If we look carefully here, 3 times 5 give us 15, that's the number we have. 4 times 5 give us 20. 5 times 5 give us 25. 6 times 5 give us 30. And we have n, we will make it times 5, that's 5n. Okay, now let's find the value of 12th term. It will be n times 5, right? So I will cancel n, I will put 10. So 10 times 5 give us 15. And the value of 12th term is 50, okay? Let's see example 3. So here we have position, the value of term. 6 became 11, 7 became 13, 8 became 15, 9 became 17, and we want to know n will be what? Come on, habibi, think about it. What we gonna do here? Tell me. Yeah, good job. So here we make multiply by 2 and subtract 1. So first of all, let's write the number that we have up. We will write it here, 6, 7, 8, 9, and n. We will make multiply by 2 and subtract 1, so it will be 6 times 2 minus 1. 6 times 2 give us 12, 12 minus 1 give us 11. In the next we have 7. So it will be 7 times 2 minus 1. 7 minus 2, habibi, equal what? Yeah, good job, I can hear you. It's 14. 14 minus 1 equals 13. 8, it will be 8 times 2 minus 1. 8 times 2 give us 16, minus 1 give us 15. The 9, it will be times 2. 9 times 2, 18, minus 1 give us 17. And it will be n times 2 minus 1. We will write it in 2n minus 1. Now let's find the value of 12th term. It will be 2n minus 1. We will cancel n and we will put 12. So 2 times 12 give us 24, minus 1 give us 23. Okay? Let's see this example. Number 4. So habibi, here there are 12 inches in 1 feet. Make a table and write it, okay? So, and he wants from you to find where is the height in inches if he 4 feet. So what we gonna do? So let's make the table. We will start from 12 inches that he gave it to you. So he wants until 4. So we will have 1 feet, 2, 3. So let's write it. So the feet that we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. He wants until 4, okay? And the inches 12. So 1 became 12. So the 12 inches became 1. So what we will write here, we will write 24, okay? Because 24 inches, when we make it divide 12, we will get 2. Okay, what about here? It will be 36 inches, because when we make 36 divide 12, you will get 3, okay? And what about 4? What about 4 feet? It will be n. So it will be n divide 12 will give us 4. What divide 12 give us 4? You can think about number that when you make it divide 12 give us 4, or you can set it will be 4 times 12, that's equal 48, right? So 48 divide 12 give us, 48 divide 12 give us 4. So the n here will be 24. Okay, حبايبي, don't forget he wants from you to find the value of 12 term. So it will be n divide 12 give us 12. Maybe it will be not n, let's write it y for example. Okay, so y divide 12 give us 12. So the variable of y will be what? Come on. So the y will be 144. Okay, you got it حبايبي? Okay, and now we finish our session. I hope you understand the lesson. So bye and see you next time inshallah. Bye.